Hello producers, it's Ozgun here and welcome to the channel. So a couple of weeks ago I already showed a video how to use Aiode, but today we will just focus on the desktop app. So Aiode is just a different AI platform. You can collaborate with real session musicians AI versions inside of the Aiode. So this AI is trained by real human session musicians and you are just collaborating with them, making music with them together with their AI clone versions, which is totally amazing. And Aiode is a very ethical AI, so it's only trained by the licensed music or the music by, the real session musicians, real human musicians. And they also have a revenue share model. So they are paying these human musicians whenever you make music with them through Aiode. So I think this is pretty brilliant and very different approach that what AI could bring us to the music scene. And also whatever you create with Aiode, it's totally yours. You can use it for commercial purposes. You can copyright your generations and use it freely. That's gonna belong to you. So if you like to try Aiode for free, you can just use this code and test it by yourself. So okay guys, enough talking, let's get this video. So guys, I'm gonna use the same music that I created for Aiode in the last video. It was something like that. So as you see, I just write a chord progression. I didn't include any bass line because I'm gonna collaborate a synth bass player in Aiode to generate my bass line. So I just have a kick, a chord with the pads, and just a sequence hitting the same note. All of the sounds from Flex, by the way, the Melodic Techno Pack from Flex is amazing. If you're into these sounds, you should check it out. So guys, that's the desktop app. Let me resize it a little bit bigger. And all we gotta do is just drag drop our file to here. I just rendered the wave file for better quality, and now it's analyzing the track, and all we gotta do is just put the track's BPM 124 to here 124, and we can test it out if it sounds good. And then let's turn off metronome and click create project. Now our project is created, the track is in here. And we can just add musicians. So what is missing in this beat is obviously the bass synth. So let's add a bass synthesizer player. And then all we gotta do is just highlight an area like this and choose whatever we like. So I like to go with rhythm section. And even before creating the rhythm, if I double click to the section, I can just get some settings, we can give some feedback, how we want this performance to be generated from this musician. So I like to have a retro style. So maybe let's keep all the envelopes. Maybe no clean. Let's have a little bit driven and maybe less dynamic. Let me do it like that. So then we can just click generate. And let me go back to the project. And now it's generating the bass however we like it. The chord progression also should fit perfectly. And it's ready. Let's have a listen. You see, it's like fitting perfectly to the progression I have already. And if we right click, there are some more settings to, tweak, maybe no auto scroll, and you can change the waveforms, how they should look. You can activate tutorials or not. So yeah, there are several settings in the right click menu. So let me add one more musician, maybe an electric guitar player, which plays, I don't know, just like solo. Let's have some solo like this. In every 2 bar. And let's click generate and it's ready. It's super realistic, guys. Sounds nice. And this time, let me add another electric guitar. And this time, this guitar should make a full rhythm section. And also, let's add one more channel for a trumpet player. And maybe this time we can have some ambience. Let's click generate. And our takes are ready. Let's take a listen. Guys, it sounds perfect. So let's say we don't like maybe the first part of the solo guitar. We can just go to generation mode in here. Then we can just highlight the area we like to replace, retake, regenerate. And then we can click generate and it's gonna create a new take for only the parts we choose. So with this way, we can keep generating the parts that we don't like until we have something fully we like. And we got the new solo section now. Nice. So, okay, let's say we are happy with the result. Now the best part. I can just click here and then I can just drag drop this inside of my DAW. It's that easy, guys. And now we got the bass in FL Studio. So let me zoom to the project. Even if you like to just drag drop, for example, only this part, this clip, you can also drag drop it like this. You only get the section, or if you want to have the full thing, just click here and then boom, you have the full thing. So that's a killer workflow. So it makes the working with DAW super fast. Let's also drag drop this ambience. So you see now I have everything in the DAW with just drag dropping in 3 seconds. So from the previous video, I already had some processing. So I just assigned them to the mixer channels. So guys, that's literally how you collaborate with virtual musicians, modeled and trained by real session human musicians. And also guys, for the pricing, there's also a free tier. You get 25 minutes of generations. The muse, like the tokens from the subscriptions, is basically the minutes. So with free tier, you got 25 minutes of generation per month. And with basic tier, you get 150 minutes. And pro tier, you got 500 minutes. But also you can still use my code to get 30 days free trial. And you can test IOD by yourself. I'm gonna put the links to the description if you want to check it out. So please let me know what you think about this, guys. Today that was it. See you on the next video. Bye bye.